Are you being annoyed by the Cscui Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. To start fixing Cscui library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Cscui library, the client-side caching CSC user interface. It manages the localized configuration of offline files and handles synchronization handshakes between client workstations and network servers. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Since Cscui Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Cscui library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Cscui Library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Cscui library dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Cscui library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.